who, what, where, when, why, how. These are the 5 W's and how. We can use these when we want to find out more information about a specific event or a situation. These are also essential to use in a conversation too. Who refers to people. For example, who is she? What is used when we're asking for specific information about something. For example, what's her name? Where refers to a place or direction. For example, where is she from? When refers to the time. For example, when will she finish school? Why is used when we want an explanation or a reason for something. For example, why does she want to become a nurse? Lastly, how is used when we want to know the way or the manner in which something is done. For example, how did she learn English so quickly? Now I will read through a text and I want you to try and answer the comprehension questions. It was a beautiful Monday morning. The sun was shining brightly. Jamal jumped out of bed to get ready for school. He put on his neatly ironed school clothes and rushed downstairs to eat breakfast. He didn't want to be late on his first day of school. Jamal grabbed his coat and hurried out of the front door to get into his mum's car. The school bell rang loudly at 8:30. Jamal entered through the gate and greeted his friends. He was not late. Now let's have a look at the comprehension questions. Who is the story about? What day was it? Where did he go? When did he meet his friends? Why was he in a rush? How did he go to school? Okay, here are the answers. Who is the story about? The story is about a boy named Jamal. What day was it? It was Monday. Where did he go? He went to school. When did he meet his friends? He met his friends at 8:30. Why was he in a rush? He was in a rush because he didn't want to be late for school. How did he go to school? He went to school by car. Now let's look through another example. My name is Jenny. I am 18 years old. I moved to London in 2012 when I was 10 years old. I currently attend sixth form in London. My hobbies are reading and playing tennis. I play tennis every day with my sister at the park. After I finish sixth form, I would like to go to the University of London to study nursing. I think it will be an interesting course to study. I can't wait to start working soon after I graduate from the 3-year nursing course. Okay, let's look at the comprehension questions. Who does Jenny play tennis with? What does she want to do after she finishes school? Where does she play tennis? When did Jenny move to London? Why does she want to study nursing? How many years is the course? Here are the answers. Who does Jenny play tennis with? Jenny plays tennis with her sister. What does she want to do after she finishes school? She wants to go to the University of London to study nursing. Where does she play tennis? She plays tennis at the park. When did Jenny move to London? She moved to London in 2012. Why does she want to study nursing? She wants to study nursing because she thinks it will be interesting. How many years is the course? 3 years.